We are Enbio and we make autoclaves. Some might think we are a two-product company. This is not true. We've launched 7. Our machines have a look out of this world and are lightning fast. We've heard some others brag about the fastest. I'm sorry to say the pole position is taken. Today, dear friends, we celebrate success.
Enormous success.
And it's all about number 7. 7 years in the markets, 7 minutes super fast process, 7 products, 7 design awards, 7 continents, every corner of the planet reached, including Antarctica. Our 70-strong crew designed, built, and delivered 70,000 autoclaves in just 7 years. What an amazing feat this is. Dear customers, partners, colleagues, friends, fans, all the crazy ones who made this happen. Enbio was born for speed. So is our anniversary Enbio 7, made to say thank you.